to stop that from completely blinding me. Oh, man. Don't need this right now. Hello, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I've just been taking a little break, but I thought I would squeeze one more exploring just before Christmas. I couldn't help myself. I'd been missing it and been missing... Where is she? Oh, can't see that. There she is. Jackie, of course. So I thought I would make the effort. I've come over to Dover. We are going to explore. It's just a small air raid shelter. It's Christchurch air raid shelter. So let's get in and see what we can find. Oh, it's been a while. Oh, shit. Oh, stop. God, it's been a while since you just seen me struggle. That's for sure. Wouldn't miss it for the world. No. Oh. This smells like piss. Actually disgusting. Oh yes, I'll take that. Alright. Put it up. God. So I tip on Central. Oh, why is it so soft? Oh my God. Is it now? Consistent heavy breathing. Why do I do that? I can't be quiet, people are sleeping. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's not the one we're going in, I think it's the next one. It was obvious as it used to be. What was under this? Ooh. Oh, no. Back, Goody. Oh.
Just tucking all my hair in for extra precaution.
Here she comes.
A bit dusty.
You okay?
Yeah.
Ouch.
Cheers. I don't know what I've done.
Nothing. You're good. Oh, I should have brought a mask. Sorry guys, give me just a sec. Could you just make sure I've got no spiders on the back of me, my head or anything? Are you sure? Oh, thank fuck for that. Because they are serious in here. I thought it'd gone into hibernation, have they? Hell. Oh. Okay, guys. I thought we'd just come through. It's really dusty. Just come through that little hole there. Whew. Whew. No, you're good. Oh, it's like up here. Sorry, guys. Right, here we go. So, ignore the spiders, of course. We'll pretend they're not there. That's probably us. Favourite thing. So yeah, this is Christchurch area shower. Excuse me, Mr. Spider, you're in my shot. Oh my god. Oh, it's been a while. So, it feels so good to be back out again. I'm never leaving it this long again. I can't. It's so wrong with me. Yeah, this isn't a massive one, guys, but it was like a last minute plan, and yeah, we're here. Oh yeah. Little bucket. Ooh.
Is that you?
Yeah, it was me. Sorry. Yeah. Oh god. Is there any have we got any old graffiti anywhere? We have. Where's that? Oh wow. Oh, that's quite cool.
Well, we checked actually, but
I don't know, it looks like it goes up. I can't tell if it's blocked off, but that bit there looks like it goes up. Oh, stripping. I mean, that bit's clearly not structurally safe anymore, but I mean, up there it probably does go up. I just don't know where it would lead to.
yeah.
The other entrance is blocked up that we walked past,
I
perhaps.
suppose it. Yeah,
It's all joined in together, maybe.
I can't see it just being.
Well, I don't know. No, you wouldn't have one way in and one way out.
No.
It would be the same as that one in Langdon by the National Trust thing that we went in. You had the one side and then the other side, didn't you? So that's probably
that one.
yeah. So that's probably what that other side is then. I reckon.
Look at the wood.
I know.
You can tell it's an airway shelter, though.
Yeah. That's like Lyddon's spout that we don't dare do, isn't it? It's got all that.
It's damp, actually.
Yeah, it's very damp, isn't it? Down there.
Yeah.
You see, it's just like literally, look at all these little droplets. They're so cool. Not a bad little place, that is it? Like, to be fair. Yeah, I can't see.
See it now. I hope we haven't got this upside down.
I can't see any old graffiti yet, but I'm wondering if there would be some, definitely. I just don't think it's visible. It's more. I don't know.
This is quite amazing, actually. It's not spooky.
No.
It's no vibe.
No, I don't get any bad vibes from it at all, actually. I was just about to say, something must have gone along here. I'm interested to find out what. Oh, 1941. That was in the Second World War, wasn't it? So they must have been down here, perhaps. It's quite cool. Tea coal. That's quite a good torch, to be fair. Really? Oh, wow.
The Phoebe one.
Oh, even better. It's free. Look at that. What is that? Look at the way it's like got different coloured rings around it. I know it's rust, but it's got like weird.
Something was hanging down of some sort. One point, a line.
Possibly.
I know there would be like a shape sort of thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. Drip, drip, drop, little December shower.
It's really like a little place.
Not bad, is it? To be fair, really.
Not been used before, but I still love it.
Yeah, it's just nice to really take a look at it.
Oh, look at that. I've got to turn this. I've got to turn to it.
Nice.
See, right. See how dark it is.
Let there be light.
That's better than that without them. More torches.
So you won't see spiders in this bit because it's too damp.
Yeah.
Why can't it all be like that? Something went on there as well.
See what I mean? It's easy to get in.
Yeah, it's only a little squeeze through, isn't it? Nothing major at all. That weren't too shabby, actually. I don't think the Desperados bottle is very old. That is. That was. Oh, yep. that's not old graffiti. It is not old. One, is that it? Oh. How boring. Shame there's no old shoes or nothing left down this one.
It's got the daughter's name.
Was it? Probably I come down here. Oh, 1944.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, another one there. There's 3 of them there.
Oh, and another one there. Cool. So yeah, it must have been, this would have been used throughout the Second World War then, wouldn't it, if it's all 1940s. Yeah. It's not bad though, I mean, oh, like a little shelf.
Put light on.
Yeah, a little candle or something on, yeah. I mean, considering it's small, like for its purpose, it's not a bad little place, is it? You think you probably would have fit quite a fair few people down here.
It's still intact.
Yeah, and obviously we don't know how far back that goes. That's all like caved in, so that could go further.
No, I was going to say, what if they had sheeting on the top? Oh,
Like
actually, it could be. There's the lines of, you know, what do you call it?
The corrugated metal.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's some of it down there that we walked over. So yeah, I would imagine it was probably mozzies. Ooh, corrugated, yeah.
What's this time of year?
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
Oh, God.
Don't know what this was. Old springs and that on it, maybe an old bed. Part of an old bed, I don't know. It's got springs on it. Could have been a chair. Don't actually know.
Some sort.
There would have been something there as well. Looks like possibly partitioning that, doesn't it?
Toilet?
Yeah, it probably would have, I would imagine been a toilet or something. And then maybe another one there. They would have, don't know, maybe hung something up there, perhaps.
That would. I suppose there would have been. There's no signs of. I don't know. On the doors. Oh no, there's no hinges. Oh, yes there is. Was.
Oh yeah.
There's some kind of windows.
Yeah.
Snap on here.
Yeah, I just noticed that. There was something going along there, 'cause you got like your things there. I don't actually know. There's a hole down there. I wonder where that goes. Spooky. Well, there you go, guys. Short and sweet, but yeah, that's it. Like I said, a little quick fix just before Christmas, because you know I was getting the old withdrawal symptoms from exploring. Oh, 2023, that's a bit new, isn't it? And then in like 40 years' time, they'll go, 2023? That was ages ago, oh my god. Oh yeah, I've been having a little look. Can't see too much.
Oh, it's creepy there, though.
Yeah, that looks really weird, doesn't it? No, thank you. A couple of little old bits down there. Oh, that's not really.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Can't get cheated.
Oh, yes. Now this is the dusty part when we get up here, isn't it? watering can. Oh, really? This is a bit where I'm getting a bit like, spiders. Oh, the flooring.
Echoing.
No, but massive concrete, like, pavement, isn't it?
Pavement slabs, isn't
yeah. Pavement slabs.
Wow.
And then it, I don't know what it's like all down there, but no, I think the flooring changes, yeah. That's proper, like, massive paving slabs.
Supposed to put paving slabs on, then there would have been...
I don't know. Oh yeah, look, 1940. You spiders are doing me, I swear. Come on, leave a girl alone, man.
Here all year round and...
Leave me alone. I thought they wouldn't be as, like, prominent in the winter, but wasn't I mistaken? Oh, the bloody size of them as well. Have they got bigger since we were last exploring, or what? How are we going to do this?
Said that would have been a door or something.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the first time I've noticed that, a window.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but, oh, look at that, Jax. See that cup? I don't think it's that old, but... Look. That's quite cool. Isn't it? Like a proper bit of, like, pottery. Huh. I wonder if it's got a date or something. Anywhere. It might not even be that old, but it just looks... What does it say? England something. It's quite interesting.
Would have been a pretty one as well.
Yeah. How about that then? Probably find it's worth like £2 grand. Right, how we can do this then?
Right. I might as well take... We don't need these torches, do I? I suppose. And I'll go back. So I better take my backpack off and
We don't want any problems.
I'm going to go on my knees safely.
Yeah, I need to try to do this myself. Right, guys, I'm going to stop the camera for a sec. Right, guys, that was Christchurch Air Raid Shelter. Tried to film as much of it as I could, every little detail, rather than just go in and get back out again. I wanted to make the most of actually coming out for the first time in ages. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a lovely Christmas, a brilliant New Year, and we'll get back at it in 2024. So it is bye from me, and bye from... no. Jack's in UK, and we will see you in the next one.